So if you're a videographer, I must have come across this problem, which is light flickering, and you can fix it in DaVinci Resolve with one click. Hi, my name is Ronan, and today I'm going to show how to resolve this problem in DaVinci Resolve. Let's hop in.
So once you have your clip imported, go to the color panel. After your primaries, then go over and search for Deflicker. Apply it to the node after the primaries. Then head over and click Advanced Control. Then make sure that the threshold, if it's at night, set it at 90. If it's in the daytime that you shot the shot, set it at 25 to 40. Make sure the motion threshold is below 60.
Anyways, that's how it's done. So for more tutorials on DaVinci Resolve, give me a follow and I'll catch you in the next one. So in my last video, I did the lens distortion effect. Hi, my name is Ronan and I'm a filmmaker. So let's hop into DaVinci Resolve. Let me show you how to do it. So now that I figured it out, can implement it into your filmmaking or your storytelling, whatever you want to do with it. Anyways, for more videos like this, give me a follow and I'll catch you in the next one.